Once, three men had the power to end the world and two voted yes. It was 1962, the peak of the Cold War, and everyone in the world feared a nuclear war. On 27th October, the US Navy detected an unknown submarine hiding near Cuba. The submarine, known as B-59, sent by the Soviet Union, was on a top-secret mission and was carrying a nuclear torpedo. The US didn't know that. To force the submarine to surface for identification, they started dropping depth charges. Inside the submarine, no one knew these were warnings. B-59 was too deep underwater to pick up any radio signals. They were unable to get in touch with their base in Moscow, and therefore the crew had no idea if a war had broken out. So when the crew heard explosions, they assumed the worst. The captain, who thought they were about to be blown up, ordered the nuclear torpedo to be launched as a counterattack against the Americans. This would likely have started a full-blown nuclear war, causing global devastation and death. But the protocol on B-59 required the three highest-ranking officials on board to agree for the nuclear launch. The captain voted yes. The political officer voted yes. The third man, Vasily Arkhipov, voted no. Vasily had a feeling that these were warning shots, and instead they surfaced and exposed themselves to the US Navy. They returned to Moscow to no medals and only shame. Vasily Arkhipov died in 1998, never knowing what he had prevented. The world wasn't saved because strong men fought. It was saved because one brave man decided not to.